It's Juvenis.
Oh, children of God, Kero. When I say children of God, Kero, you guys will say, oh, children of God, Kero. Okirika suit, not trouser. Okirika suit, not the trouser. If you buy the top before you call another person, don't buy the trouser. Who they give quick notice, not the park daytime. Hello. To avoid story that touches. Papa Emeka, you know the park, you not tell us before. Children of God, Kero. If Rosebud Papa die, any man will go to bury an Ailo. Oh, children of God, Kero. Whether na short time you do, whether na daybreak you be healer. Hello. Not mind me, or they talk anyhow. It not be as he get Ogolo Mojo. I saw first time for my life when they come and say, Paul, you are coming to the Europe. I not tell my papa, I not tell my mama. Ask me why I not tell them. Because believe people, about talk by him. And they laugh people when they say, we love technology. Do you know now you can do video call. You know since one day they do video call for people. Oh, children of God, just do mistake. Provoke one Obama for Benin. Now only 3 times they go call your name, you go appear for video call. They don't need network. The mama go just go packing and don't call your name. Oh, Sarena! It went to Liada. Later then you go come back to. Oh, I love Lagos with passion. Children of God, more than. They won't give me another mic. Yeah, mic 1, 2. Test shop 2 plate for who? And the light main light bar the test mic. Whenever the test mic, now you hear shop of who? Shop 2 who? No so hungry, don't they be there. Oh, children of God, Kero. I know the young voice I will. What you own and liver now we look. When I say children of God, Kero, you say, oh, woko. This country don't run. And they tell everybody everywhere where I go. Now, when the way the country be now, if Amroba call rob you see money give them, then they pray for you.
Are you serious?
Oh, more than serious. Children of God, Kero. This country don't rest. Now listen to me, children of God. If Amroba call rob you, if they're not for your door, you go answer them. Who did that? They reply you. Now wait. Amroba, open the door. No, open the door for them. Let them break in. Now part of their work be that. Let them do their job. Oh, children of God, Kero. This country don't rest. That's why we call it breaking and entry. Don't let them work very easy for them. Amroba called up my neighbor for Aguda. Soon later. For night, the guy they sleep, they pray, the guy has set up. Everybody lined up. They just came back. They say, we'll kill anybody. Amroba said, I will not kill anybody. I said, Amroba, the guy said, no, not kill anybody. The guy stand up. Amroba said, where you go? Then the guy said, una say your money or your life. Una not keep it. I won't go give you now. Amroba said, talk you. You mean say you get money for this house for the Buhari regime? The guy said yes. The guy walked straight to his wardrobe, brought out 1.8 million naira for the regime. See where Amroba they pray for who they call up. Say my God, I need that. You need deliverance. Anywhere you for take bring this money, come outside, take bless your sisters. Amroba call that blessing. Say now God will double the money for you in Jesus' name. And fear who they love say amen. If you see prayer, when they pray for the guy finish, the guy stand up. Amroba say we talk and say you get plan. You they go call police, the man say no, the prayer touched me. So I won't add join the money what I don't give you before. First time for my life when I see where Amroba tell who they call up, say no, Oga. We are okay with this one. Many of them say we be thief.
In and out,
Country don't read, Nigeria is very sweet. You know, so many comedians they tell us say we get SARS on the beat and we get SARS on the beat. Oh, children of God came wrong. I'm not a year that waka. Children of God came wrong. One guy they waka from my area Baguda. Then police people stop her. Bam! The guy they waka with leg go. Bam! Back the guy so I'm not trying to say pack your leg. The guy pack his leg. Now that's how. Where are you coming from? He said they come from a friend house. Where do they go? He said they go in friend house. Where do they stay? He said they stay with his friend. Oh, children of God came wrong. Now that's how. Where that your friend they stay? He said that his friend is squat with one of their friends. The Lagos people don't get work, and the guy carry one bag. Now the answer, what's in the bag? The guy say nothing. True, they check the bag, nothing do. They tell her you're under arrest. The guy say, okay, what I do? They say this one when you carry empty bag, they walk out the whole area. Meaning you get plans to go see something put inside. Somebody got it. Because of time, I don't place more man go. You know, say Nigeria don't fold up. Now be joke now, if they are celebrating anything, Yoruba people, I love them. See them, Yoruba people like party. If you they celebrate anything, Yoruba people don't want to know what they celebrate. Invite them, everybody, they go buy a Shebiko. Don't sit down for a Yoruba boys life food. Don't sit down front. They'll call shop like 3 plates. They'll call the complaint say they never shop. Yoruba boys get respect. Not only that they call all shots. Mommy. What? Mommy, later on your teacher will on your Robbie baby. The usher when they share the food because the mother said this guy mad when they share. Says this morning never look. Not mind my friend and key. Now it finish call you your baby and serviette. When person go to finish call you and rub your baby no comment. Oh, but I love believe people. How about talk by him? See there, all those when they shout himself, give the chance. Believe people not to find trouble. Oh, children of God came wrong. Now let believe you go stand for bus stop for or person go tell you slap. You saw that what I say to the worry you. When you dey stand, why you not dey control your shadow? Say your shadow dey match my shadow for you. Oh, hey. Lead away, daughter. Oh, but now believe they want me go to party. Now when I come Lagos, as he say for hotel, if you lodge for hotel, receptionist go come. Every morning room keeper go come knock. Kiringi, as you open the good morning, sir. I say for the rest of the day. There was a company 9 classic. He get one guy that they call classic here. That guy I hold before for Jonathan regime. But as Buhari enter, the guy see who only see the whole people. Oh, children of God came wrong. Now the guy invites you. If you see hotel where the guy go lost people for believe inside bring your cook. Hotel room, every morning room keeper come up. As I open door, they use broom and pack curtains to me say, bros, if you sleep today, clean your room. First time when the guy lost me for the room, now me not wise. Hotel room where classic lost me put. I open my hotel room door, lock am, TV trip off. I open the door, the TV on. I lock am, the TV off. See where they lose their TV till they play with the door. Off. For my own hotel room, I say man sit down for the bed. As I sit down for the hotel room bed, toilet flush.
Hey, Daddy, you can lie.
My brother, not be lie. Na real life story. Oh, children of God, Kero. I say make I go look who dey toilet. I see one Billy boy from upper the piece and shop. Now the guy say he's surprised. I say yes. He say idiot. Now the room they lodge would not be toilet. Now me and you dey share this toilet. My own room dey back. So now window. Oh. Oh, children of God, Kero. Now for that hotel room, they for take my charger. I will say now only the charger I cannot pay me the tip on the socket. When I plug up, now say me worry for the Benin. When the hustle for Lagos, Benin not rich. Now say my go report for police station. As at the enter station, they hear noise. I don't know say inside station. Benin boys don't thief DPO phone. So DPO gather all the constables there. More than all this people, for the Benin myself. If you not know, before I become police or the Benin, I be armed robber before. If you not know, may head road. Oh, children of God, Kero. To cut the long story short, now say my God, the wedding, where classic invite me for. As I reach the wedding, oh, ladies and gentlemen, not from one, not two scatter, I just break up. Oh, not be error, bring this one. Because the one where Simon Moses dash me, I never eat a finish. Man, the keeper, and I know it's a family problem.
I know that show me.
Oh, teacher, I don't need to take them to show me not. Who I don't think you pass it in and go send message home. As I talk, as I go the wedding, Opa talk for Yoruba land, now small boys they come your party, they call shop for Benin and old women, all those in the day, where their body don't they shake, where they put a back over mat, now they call shop. You're the 5 foot, you see the old woman, you visit mama no entry, eh? As I go, one mama sit down and everything where they share, now mama they shop. Then they share fried rice and chicken. See where mama they order the usher where they share that. As I bring mama collect 6 plates of rice, she said that the 6 ways in our first on the piece. Oh, she then of God came from. Now so mama gather the 6 plates of rice, gather them for her back. As he get home, mama hit everything, the rice high. Before I go blink at mama don't do the rest. Everything don't finish. I say, hey, mama drink water, I say mama don't get the food. One fear mama shop different kind of food. What hey. Now get they share owo soup and starch. Mama stand on top share, they call the girl. Oh, the next I say, mama, you go first. Say that they bottle water when you went there. Mama don't eat different kind of food. She don't know where she's at. They say the shop salad. She visit her egusi soup. She got a complaint. Egusi soup in her mouth. I say, mama, now say shut up your mouth. You know she won't get the shop right. Egusi soup all year, not the woman. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much.
Thank you for commenting on our videos. Please keep commenting. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for regular updates. Keep watching Juvenis and keep buying Juvenis.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638 or 0808 152 4499 or visit www.juvenis.peanuts.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.